Welcome to a new episode of Birds of Honduras by Beaks and Pigs. My name is William Orellana, and I am one of the guides. Katinka Domen is also one of the guides. Here we're going to show you some of the birds of Honduras and some places and people enjoying. We're going to start this video with some shots of this lovely place in Tela Atlantida in the northern part of Honduras. It's a beautiful tree full of Montezuma oropendulas, chestnut-headed oropendulas, black-crowned titairas, and a bunch of other wonderful birds. This is not a, professional video, so we're going to be talking, and sometimes people will be talking. In the videos, you can also find all these videos on our Facebook page, Instagram, and I hope you like it. We try to give good experience for the visitors and show what is in Honduras. These are some of the books you can use. You can buy it on Amazon or in the library. So here we go with some shots of the white-throated magpie jay. It's a beautiful bird. Here is our endemic hummingbird, the Honduran emerald. And here with me I have a friend called Craig Brooks that he went to Honduras not too long ago to take some photos of this wonderful hummingbird. Are you happy with the shots you got?
It's such a wonderful bird. It's very, very, very easy to see. William provides expert tuition in getting good shots, good photographs. Excellent bird. Really, really nice bird.
Wonderful. Yeah, the Honduran emerald is for sure one of the birds you would like to have in your list or in a photo in your wall. So here we go with another wonderful species that you could find in Honduras. Is the such wonderful bird, the Killbill motmot in Panacan Lodge. If you are a photographer, for sure you would like to have some of these shots and enjoy this wonderful bird that for sure we can provide you with the logistics and everything to take you to see this wonderful bird. So here we leave you with a starting breakfast with wonderful views of the yellowback oriole from Gracias Lampira. Check this beautiful bird. It's going to jump to the bananas and having a delicious banana breakfast. Check that shiny color. Beautiful bird. Another one for you. Hope you like the video. This is Beaks and Pigs. Yeah, as I say, Honduras has many different habitats, and this is one of those birds that you will find in the cloud forest. The wonderful black-headed nightingale thrush from Santa Barbara National Park. So another wonderful place to visit in Honduras. You can travel around all the country with no problem in the quest of some of the most beautiful birds of Central America. Many hummingbirds too, like the green-throated mountain jay that you are seeing here, feeding on the flowers, giving you good views. Yes, wonderful.
I'm Nigel Marven. I'm in Santa Barbara National Park with Beaks and Peaks, and we are watching one of the loveliest birds in the world, a male resplendent quetzal. Look at that lovely long tail. This is awe-inspiring.
Great. Thanks, Nigel, for giving your voice to talk about a little bit of the resplendent quetzal. The resplendent quetzal is a bird from the cloud forest, and my friend Craig Brooks will tell you a little bit about this bird. Like he went with his wonderful wife to Honduras not too long ago, and I think like he got some shots on this bird. He will be participating later.
Brilliant day here
And thanks,
in Guero,
thanks Nigel.
Salado, close to La Ceiba. It's a fantastic ecotourism project. We've seen lots of people here coming to see manatees, pygmy kingfishers, tiny little kingfishers. There's 4 species of kingfisher here. We've also seen lesser nighthawk. We've also seen boat-billed heron. They're fantastic birds with a huge great beak.
Yes, Nigel Marven visited Honduras last year. He did a great film that I hope is going to be on the TV soon. And also Honduras is a great place to see dragonflies and all sorts of butterflies, as you see in here. And if you are a photographer, you will love to check out everything there. Right, Craig?
That's right. Perfect place for photography. Oh, just look at this guy. What an amazing guy. And the call is absolutely fantastic. Turquoise-browed motmot.
Exactly. Another beauty for Honduras. As you see, this bird is such a beauty. Oh, here we have another wonderful bird that you could also find in Honduras, the lineated woodpecker. We have the great opportunity of seeing this woodpecker working on the nest. And I repeat again, this is not a super professional video. We're just using our voice. We will try to guide you through this video.
Hi, my name is Albert. This is my wife Nanette, and we just want to say we came here for a birding trip, and we've had a fantastic time in Honduras. The countryside is beautiful, and the people are fantastic and super friendly. We will definitely recommend this this trip to other people when we get home. Thank you very much.
Here you go, some friends from Canada. We have some wonderful bird views of the garter trogon. Another bird that I guess my friend here has to say something a little bit. You got a good photo of this one, right?
Yeah, really good. These guys can be quite interesting to identify. It's all about the breast, the head colour, and most of all, look at the tail, guys, because the tail is the giveaway. The banding on the tail is a one good diagnostic piece to look at.
Wonderful. So Hummingbird Spot is a great site. If you like hummingbirds, you can follow the page on Facebook, or you can go to hummingbirdsspot.com. And this is a natural crowned hummingbird that and here we have the beautiful sparkling tail hummingbird that our client Carol Turek has wonderful shot on her website, also on her group on Facebook. Here you see this beautiful hummingbird doing some displays to the female, which is this type of footage is very, very hard to get. What do you think, Craig?
Oh, brilliant. Just look at that. What a show off.
Also, Honduras is home for many migratory species like the ruby-throated hummingbird and many other other birds. And yes, Honduras is the place for us to see hummingbirds in Central America. Here with my
I can't
friend
believe
Carlo.
this view. It's absolutely amazing with my friend William Orellana of Beaks and Peaks. It's amazing to see all these toucans all in one tree. I think we counted 9 of these toucans within the first 15 minutes of waking up this morning, and close to the lodge. Beautiful resort, beautiful lodge.
Yes, we are at Panacan Lodge, Lake Yohoa, Honduras, and I hope you like this video. This is Beaks and Peaks. Another wonderful show. This was amazing. Just getting out from your room, this is what you could get if you are adventurous and you go to Honduras. You will get all these birds all for you. Another beauty, the black-headed trogon.
Remember what I said earlier on, guys? Take a look at the tail. The diagnostic feature is in the tail. Bird looks the same as the other one, different tail.
Exactly. Right now we are in England, ready for the British Beer Fair, and we have been hosted by our friends Craig and Don, wonderful people. They are also on Facebook. If you want to write them to ask them about their experience, feel free. And hi to our friends from Omega Tours also. We also have wonderful ruins, the ruins of Copan. If you Google Copan ruins of Honduras, is a place you have to visit. A place you will see probably this bird, the red-throated parakeet, which is a Mesoamerican endemic. It's also known as a green parakeet. Yes, this is the wonderful rufous-tailed jacamar, and my friend here just not too long ago, I think he took one of the best photos I ever seen of this bird. So what do you think about this one, Craig?
A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity provided to take this bird. Absolutely fantastic bird, and just look at it. Just listen to it call.
Wow.
Great views of the fantastic bicolor amber. This is Craig using his camera. Check the setup of this guy. This is where they should be with ants.
Wow.
Another unbelievable shepherd of another wonderful trip. En Luna del Puente, Ecofinca Luna del Puente, another wonderful bird to see, the gray-headed kite, for example, that actually our friends here were watching this beautiful gray-headed kite. Do you remember, Craig?
Oh yeah, and how lucky were we, because this is a really difficult bird to see perched. Normally this bird is seen flying.
Lovely. Far away, I guess, almost most of the time, but we were so lucky to have this such wonderful looks. Amazing. And again, thanks to Hummingbird Spot, we got to photograph this amazing green-breasted mountain jay, which is another bird that is almost endemic, and you will find him in La Tira National Park. So wonderful. I leave this video for you. Black and white owl, beautiful bird. He is sprinting for us. Check that beautiful feathers, man. Fantastic. This is the chick. What a beautiful little thing. Wow. The male is wonderful too. He is looking right at the camera. I think that was Craig using his camera. So as I say before, these videos, you can find us in our page. And another wonderful bird, the garnet-throated hummingbird from Salakia National Park, is another beauty. Check him out and imagine you watching this wonderful hummingbird. Look at that throat. we have put in this video. We're going to put this video on YouTube. Pretty soon you will be seeing this video wherever you want. You can share it with your friends. Another wonderful bird, the lesser roadrunner. I guess you would like to photograph this one, right, Craig?
Oh, yeah, I would like to photograph that.
Check the tail. Wow, beautiful. Honduras, as you notice, is a great place for owl, and the Stygian owl is one of those owls that many people dream. And we got this such beautiful looks of reserva in Reserva Natural Privada El Consejero with our friend Julio Bu. What a lucky place to have this family of these rare owls. Have you seen this one, Craig?
I don't think so. That would be new for me. Well,
Okay.
maybe I'm going to have to come back to Honduras to see this owl.
Don't forget to check out our website too, beaksandpics.com, for more information. Yes, also you will see colorful birds like this, like a Eastern meadowlark, that we also got like such wonderful looks when you guys visited Honduras. This will be a very easy bird to see if you are out in the field. Beautiful call. The song is amazing. And yes, another wonderful bird of Honduras. Check this out. Very beautiful white-eared hummingbird is one of your hummingbirds that you will see in Honduras, following by the beautiful white-throated hummingbird. Check this out. What do you think about it, Craig?
This is the hummingbird that people go to Honduras to see. This is such an amazing little bird. Absolutely fantastic. Not much bigger than your average size thumb.
And yes, as we were talking about the resplendent quetzal, the resplendent quetzal is one of the birds you want to see if you visit Central America. Honduras is also a great place, and you can see like full breast views, female. We were very lucky to have these such wonderful looks. So yes, that's you, Craig.
Such an extraordinary bird to see.
And yes, the linear woodpecker again. Just to you to have a better look. My friend Carlo was taking some amazing shot from this one. We also have like some beautiful songbirds like this next one. if you like wrens, this is one of the hardest one to see, and I hope you appreciate these wonderful views. We also have a good variety of cuckoos, and we have here the squirrel cuckoo, another beauty from the western part of Honduras. And get ready to check the next one.
Get ready with your camera. This is fantastic. We're having the most amazing views of these two male sparkling tail roosters. They're probably fighting for territory. Wow, this is a wonderful display. Look at that. You must be getting wonderful shots there, man. We are very lucky to see this. This is Beaks and Pigs.
This is our friend Nigel Marven visiting the Lake Johoa. Katinka Domen is checking out the birds, and we are about to finish this collection, and I'm going to leave here my friend Craig Brooks, who is a big fan of this type of guys.
So for birding, crakes are possibly some of the most difficult birds to see. The trip to the lake provided the most amazing views of this crake.
Yellow-breasted crake. Okay guys, it was nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share it with your friends. Ciao.